first thing that I'm going to do is I have taken 1/4 cup of water. And I'm going to add water in this. And then I'm going to add half a cup of milk. Now I'm going to add tea powder in it. And we are going to boil this. So guys, now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of jaggery sugar in this. So this is even called as bura shakkar. And if you want, you can adjust the sugar according to the taste because bura shakkar have very less sugar content in it. I'm going to give it a stir. So now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cocoa powder in it. And give it a stir. I'm going to bring this to the boil and then turn off the flame. With the help of a strainer. Guys, our chocolate tea is ready now.